barbecue bacon burger, barbecue bacon burger, barbecue. Surprise, shawty!
Oh, get him! Get him! Oh, yo!
My husky's costume did not go as planned.
What happened to your ears? Your ears are supposed to go through the hole.
I'm sorry, I don't know why she didn't want to pet you. I'm sorry, Leia. I love you. Like having real kids.
Wah, 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 wah.
You guys are wondering, this is 150 calories. Isn't that so sad?
Subscribe and like this video, or this adorable cat won't give you a flower.
Subscribe, please.
Okay, step 1, you have to touch the belly, and then you have to pet the cat. From there, you immediately have to start patting. Pat until the cat turns around to bite you, and then push it over. This disables the kill drive. And once those steps are completed, you are free to belly rub. I have tested this on every cat, including your cat.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour! What's up, dude?
When you're mad at your humans for being gone too long and decide to be a bad boy.
Why are you peeing on the floor?
Hello. Hello.
How to give medicine to my dog.
Nein, 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 nein.
Bro, look at that new drip. Looking fresh as hell. Just like that badonkadonk.
Pissing all by yourself, handsome?
You're done. You're done.
Hey, yes. 落とすなよ。はい、リキ。
Roxy, wait.
Look at mommy.
Roxy. What do you want? Thank you.
Things in my house that are in desperate need of attention. Me.
Macaroni with the chicken strips.
Gary! Gary, help me! Come here and help him right now. He's hanging himself. He's hanging himself. He's hanging himself.
No, he's holding on.
He wants to commit suicide.
What? Oh, hell no. Tiny, handle that.
I did use the litter box, but then I ran when I got out, and a tiny poop flied out of my butt. It was a surprise poop, I'm sorry.
Whew.
Cosita. ¡Ay! ¡Dame tu cosita! ¡Ah! ¡Ah!
You look sad. But I don't like that. I'm going to fix it. Open your hands. Squish!
She's a precious angel. Oh. Okay, that didn't hurt. You're being dramatic.
Pepperoni, I need to tell you that I'm a lesbian.
What are you watching?
And the best part of this plan is, no one can stop me.
No.
Think again, Mom.
Sophia?
Do you like your new tie? It makes you look very handsome.
He's all in.
Mother. Mother, I crave violence.
This is my hair wet, a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
You wanna go Starbucks? Where's your teefies? You wanna go Starbucks? Where's your teefies?
Gigi, how do you feel about what's happening with the world right now?
Eyelashes on fleek, mama. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Hey, get the out of here.
So apparently the people on TikTok like this. You walk in, and boom, puppy. And now, we're TikTok famous.
Yeah, now I'm panicking.
Don't panic.
No, I am, because I'm gonna lose my job.
Come here. Come on. Okay.
I'm stuck. I don't know how to be unstuck. Mama, help me. Mama, help me. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my gosh. Help me. Help me.
Are you? At this time, you are sleeping. It's not possible.
That was a good one. This movie.
Love each other.
Boy even has like the decency to cover himself. Oh.
Really?
Tell me your indoor cat won't survive in the wild without telling me.
Hey!
And the best part of this plan is, no one can stop me.
Taco? Crazy.